Most gutter cleaning business owners get this wrong. They think a CRM is just a digital address book. But here's the truth no one tells you. The right CRM can help you book more jobs, reduce no-shows, and increase repeat business without adding more work to your day. In this video, you'll learn exactly what makes a CRM great for gutter cleaning businesses in 2026, the must-have features to look for, and how the right system can help you grow faster while staying organized. Let's get straight into it. If you run a gutter cleaning business, your CRM should help manage leads, estimates, scheduling, customer communication, and payments from one place. Think about someone like Jake. He owns a small gutter cleaning company and receives inquiries from Google, Facebook, and referrals. Without a CRM, those leads often end up scattered across text messages, emails, and handwritten notes. With a good CRM, every lead automatically enters a pipeline where nothing gets lost. That's your first big win. You know exactly who contacted you, what service they need, and where they are in the sales process. But here's the problem. Many gutter cleaning companies only focus on getting new customers. They forget that repeat business is where real growth happens. Most homeowners need gutter cleaning regularly. Some properties need service multiple times per year. If your CRM doesn't help you stay in touch with past customers, you're leaving money on the table. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best CRMs allow you to automate reminders and follow-ups. Let's say Alex hires your company this spring. Your CRM can automatically remind him 6 months later when it's time for another cleaning. You don't have to remember anything. The system does the work for you. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that can save the most time every week. Before that, let's talk about scheduling. Gutter cleaning businesses often manage multiple jobs per day, double bookings, missed appointments, and route inefficiencies can quickly become expensive. A strong CRM includes a scheduling calendar that keeps your team organized and your customers informed. This is where most people fail. They use one tool for scheduling, another for invoices, and another for customer communication. That creates unnecessary complexity. The best CRM platforms bring everything together into a single dashboard. And here's the feature that saves the most time: automated estimates and invoicing. Instead of manually creating paperwork for every customer, you can generate professional quotes and invoices in minutes. Faster estimates often lead to faster approvals and more booked jobs. By 2026, the best CRM for a gutter cleaning business should include lead tracking, automated follow-ups, scheduling, recurring service reminders, invoicing, payment collection, and customer management. The goal isn't just staying organized. It's building a business that grows without creating more chaos. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more CRM reviews and business growth tips, and leave a comment below with the CRM you're currently using. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.